This survival knife has seen better days, worn out, rusted, built for the wild. Let's see what it can do. This is a wilderness survival knife designed for outdoor use and multi-purpose tasks. It features a durable blade, suitable for cutting and heavy-duty work. The spine has serrations, making it useful for cutting rope and tough materials. The handle is made from seamless stainless steel tubing. It's hollow inside, allowing storage of small survival tools like fishing hooks, line, and a mini-saw. This kind of design makes it practical and easy to carry in the wild. The knife uses a full metal tang structure with a reinforced end cap, secured by a threaded fastening system to ensure stability and durability. Let's take it apart. Loosen the end cap, remove the handle components, and complete the disassembly. Now it's time for a deep clean. Remove surface rust and stains. Since sandblasting isn't available, we'll use a rust remover instead. The handle still has old paint residue. Apply paint remover, wait for it to break down, then scrape off the old coating. Clean and ready. Now the restoration begins. First, grind the handle with a wire wheel to reshape and smooth the surface. Then clean and degrease. Next, repair damaged areas using cold weld, a mixture of metal powder and bonding agents that forms a strong repair after curing. Once hardened, sand the surface to remove excess material, repair the threads and knurling to restore proper fit and function. Some casting imperfections remain, which is expected. Reassemble the handle and prepare for coating. Apply a high-temperature resistant textured paint. It provides strong resistance to wear, grease, corrosion, and harsh environments. Bake at 93 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to fully cure the coating. Now, back to the blade. After several hours of rust removal, the results are clear. Polish the surface to restore its finish. However, for a survival knife, an overly polished surface isn't ideal, so we tone it down for a more practical, low-reflection look. Rinse and clean to remove any residue. Next, restore the compass. The liquid inside helps stabilize the needle and ensures smooth, accurate movement. Refill it carefully using distilled water, ensuring proper sealing. Repair cracks using epoxy, then sand the surface smooth after curing. Restore the directional markings. Apply a final clear ceramic coating to protect and enhance the finish. Now it's time to reassemble. Simple and straightforward. And it's done. What do you think of this restored survival knife? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.